Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to program a very basic menu icon using HTML and CSS. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer, the software, and now we can go all the way down to the dock, click on Launchpad, search for the application, text edit, click on this, and now we can save as, go to the desktop, new folder, menu icon, create, and then save the file as index.html, save, yes, use HTML, and now we can increase the size of the text edit file. Command plus to increase the font size, and now type in less than exclamation mark doc type HTML greater than next line HTML greater than, on the next line close that off slash HTML greater than, and now within the HTML we need a head, less than head greater than, close that off, next line slash head, close that off. We can have a title if required. Go to the next line, type in body, and the next line slash body to close that all off. And now we can focus on the menu icon itself. In this case, CSS, very basic CSS. Go to the body, type in less than P, we need a paragraph, a menu icon, less than slash P, close that off, that gives us a paragraph. And now we need a couple of div tags, but not very complex. We just need div, that's it. Next line, div ID, close that off, and then end with slash div ID, close that off. And now we can highlight, right click, copy, next line, paste once, twice, so we need in fact 3 in order for this to work. And now go to the top, within the head tag we need our style sheet, less than style greater than, on the next line less than slash style greater than. Within the style sheet we need the code that says div ID, and then curly brace on a new line after we indent the width, colon 35 pixels, semicolon, next line indent the height, a colon 5 pixels, semicolon, next line indent the background color, colon black, semicolon, and then next line indent margin, colon 6 pixels, 0, semicolon, and then we need a curly brace to close that off. And now go all the way to the top. After head, type in on the next line less than meta name equals speech marks the viewport, and then content equals the width equals device minus the width, comma initial scale equals 1, and we have the speech mark there. And now we can end with a greater than. Command S to save. If we now go all the way down to the dock, click on Finder, go to your desktop, we see the menu icon, double click this folder, right click the index.html, open with Safari, and now we can see the menu icon. If we decrease the size of the web browser and decrease the size of the text editor file so we can then see both windows side to side. And now we see the menu icon on screen. We can use JavaScript and more complex code for custom animation. When we click, the menu icon changes size. So now we can go back to the text edit file, quit the text edit file, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.